फर्स्ट फ्लाइट में कुछ बाकी है और चैप्टर नंबर 11 द प्रपोजल स्टार्ट कर दे। ओके हो गया, ये काफ़ी लंबा थोड़ा प्रपोजल। ओके, एंटोन चेखव इज द राइटर ऑफ दिस, और वी कैन से दिस काइंड ऑफ ओनली वार्ता। लेट्स बिगिन। यस, हियर द ड्राइंग रूम इन Chubukov's house. Okay, there are 3 characters. Page number 114. Open page number 114. Okay, और proposal. The chapter is about simple language of proposal is one kind of suggestion. Okay, or you know better than me. I know that proposal, that you are asking for something, that is proposal. Okay, or you are giving a simple kind of idea. Let's begin. Page number 144. In the beginning, on the top, there are 3 characters. Stepan Stepanovich Chubukov, a landowner. Okay, Natalia, we will call Natalia. And first is Stepan Stepanovich Chubukov. Second is Natalia, his daughter, 25 years old. And third is Ivan, a neighbor of Chubukov. Okay, all these characters. And let's begin. A drawing room in Chubukov's house. Lumov enters. Who is Lumov? A neighbor of Chubukov, or a large and hearty but very suspicious landowner. Means Lumov is also landowner, but a neighbor of Chubukov, a great person. Lumov enters wearing a dress jacket and white gloves. Chubukov rises and to meet him. Here, see, this coat or jacket is Lumukov. Yes, in the figure, page number 145, that there are 2 persons shown. That coat person, the person who is wearing coat is Lumukov, and that kaka is Chubukov. Got it? Now, Chubukov, my dear fellow, whom do I see? Ivan Vasilevich. Okay, answer one simple word, Ivan. I am extremely glad. Okay, shaking and squeezing his hand. Now this is a surprise, my darling. How are you? Simple. Lumov means Chubukov is greeting that guy. That, oh, after lots of days, how are you, bro? And my darling is just a gesture of love. That's it. Okay, Lumov, thank you. And how may you be getting on? And when Lumov says, yes, I am good. What about you? Chubukov, okay, देखिए थोड़ा इसमें गुम नहीं हो जाना। जिनके पास बुक नहीं है उनको बोल रहा हूँ, जितना मैं रीड करते जा रहा हूँ वहीं पे स्टिक रहना मेरे साथ। ओके, ये कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं, चर्चा चल रही है 2 लोगों के बीच। अगेन Lumov, thank you very much. Now third, Chubukov. We just got along somehow, my angel, thanks to your prayers and so on. Sit down, please do. Now you know, my student, you shouldn't forget all about your neighbors, my darling, my dear fellow. Why are you so formal in your get-up? Evening dress, gloves and so on. Can you be going anywhere, my treasure? Chubukov is asking to Lumov because of the get-up and the appearance of Lumov. वो जिस तरह से उसने एंट्री की, white gloves and coat, it just says that he is going somewhere else. So Chubukov says that why you wearing this kind of costume? Are you going outside of someone? Okay, this says Chubukov. Lumov, no, I came only to see you, honored Stepan Stepanovich. Okay. So Lumov says, no, I'm not going anywhere. I'm here to just meet you. That's it. Chubukov, then why are you in evening dress? My precious. Okay, as if you are paying a New Year's Eve visit. It says that you are paying a New Year's Eve visit. Lumov says, well, you see, it's like this. Now take his arm. It's like this. I've come to you, honored Stepan. I to trouble you with a request. Means here he visits this guy कॉन्स्टेंट इंग्लिश चलेगा बरोबर. ओके सो लुमो मतलब वो बंदा आया, दोनों ने हाथ मिलाया, इसने बताया कि तुम ये भारी भरकम कपड़े पहने क्यों आए हो, इन्होंने बताया कि बस मैं मिलने आया हूँ. एंड नाउ द प्रोसीजर स्टार्ट्स कि मैं एक प्रपोजल देने आया. ये द वर्ड्स आई केम फॉर अ प्रपोजल और टू ट्रबल यू विथ अ रिक्वेस्ट. Not once or twice have I already had the privilege of applying to you for help, and you have always, so to speak. I must ask you your pardon. I am getting excited. I shall drink some water, honored Stephen. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा I am very excited. So properly, I am excited. I just want to ask you something. Should I drink something? I am getting excited and excited because I am going to ask you something. Okay, or ask you something, or I want a request from your side. I shall drink some water because excitement में हम बौखला जाते हैं. Okay, now this Lumo drinks. Now Chubuko aside, he is come to borrow money. Shan't give him any. What is it, my beauty? There is a voice, or there is a not voice, a noise came from a side that he is come to borrow money. Means your friend is just asking a money. That's it. Okay, the entire introduction is all about this. This lady says, or I think it's a lady because there is a word. What is it, my beauty? Shan't give him anyway. Lumo, you see, honored speaking. I beg pardon, Stephen Honorich. Stephen Honorich, I think is a daughter. Stephen, yes, not mentioned. आगे mention नहीं किया कि कौन है, but I assume that she is her wife. I assume, okay, क्योंकि surname same इसलिए दोनों का. So you see, honored Stephanie, I beg pardon, Stephanie Honoring. I mean, I'm awfully excited as you will please notice. In short, you alone can help me, though I don't deserve it, of course, and I haven't any right count on your assistance. Still, एक कंफ्यूजन है यहाँ, जो कैरेक्टर नया बताया इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया, बस इसने ऐसा बोला है कि ये पैसे मांगने आया है. That's it. Then Lumo says, I know whatever. In this paragraph it says that only you can help me. Okay, I'm awfully excited and only you are going to help me, not a single one. समझ पड़ रहा है यहाँ तक? स्टोरी पता चल रही है? आगे जाते हैं. चुप के oh, don't go round and round darling, spit it out. घूम घूम करो मत, मतलब सीधे पॉइंट पे आ जाओ, सब जगह घूमने की जरूरत नहीं है. Go round, don't go round and round, directly spit it up. बोल दो. Lumo, one more. This is very minute. The fact is, I've come to ask the hand of your daughter, Natalia. मतलब शादी के लिए. ओके, मतलब इतनी सी बात बोलने के लिए इतना रामायण है, लेकिन वो इतनी बात में भी अब उसको झापट भी आने वाली है थोड़ी देर में. चुबुको, oh, joyful. By Jove, Ivan, say it again. I didn't hear you. बोल वापस बोल के बता दो बस. Okay, here the word is joyfully, means is not upset or we can say aggression. He is in a good mood. Joyfully word mention किया है इसके अंदर. Now we are on page number 145. वहाँ पहुँचे सबके सर, जिसके पास बुक है. तो चुबुको से oh, Ivan, say it again, वापस बोलो. बोलो, I have the honor to ask. मैं तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ, just asking you. Okay, Chubuko, interrupting means what? Stopping the continuous discussion. Interrupting. My dear fellow, I'm so glad and so on. Yes, indeed, and all that sort of thing. Okay, I've been hoping for it for a long time. It's been my continual desire. Means जो तुम बोल रहे हो वो कब से मैं सोच रहा था. Okay. As if you were own my son, my God give you both his help and his love and so on, and so much hope. What am I behaving in this idiotic way for? I am off my balance with joy, absolutely off my balance. Absolutely off my balance. Oh, with all my soul, I'll go and call Natasha and all that. Now, Chubuko, this excitement was transferred from Lomo to Chubuko. Now he becomes very excited. He said, I can't handle my balance. I'm so much excited because the thing you asked, it was in my mind from past many days or many years, but it was very difficult to express my point. But finally, you told that word. So now, मतलब वो क्या बोलते हैं? What is that? सुहागा something. So yeah, something like this. जो हम सोच रहे थे ऐसा कुछ हो गया. After that, he says that I'm not, I'm absolutely off my balance. I'm very excited. Let me call Natasha. Okay, Lumo. Okay, Honor Stephen, do you think I may count on her consent? Now there is a consent. क्या मैं उस पे भी काउंट कर सकता हूँ, मतलब मैं उसे मान सकता हूँ उसकी बात? That says Chubukov, yes, of course, my darling, and is as if she won't consent, she is in love. She is like a lovesick cat, and so on shan't be long. And here after she says that first question Lumov asked, क्या वो हाँ बोलेगी? First question was should means think I may count on her consent. Consent means क्या होता है? सिंपल लैंग्वेज में appreciation या acceptance कहते हैं consent को, और सिंपल लैंग्वेज में मर्जी कहते हैं. Okay, if suppose you are sitting with a person that you don't know, okay, so first word you use excuse me, may I. So you are asking for consent, आप उसकी permission मांग रहे हो. This is the same thing. इसको लिखा इस तरह गया है कि that think, do you think I may count on her consent? क्या वो मानेगी? Something like this. Okay, मैं बोला yes, of course she is, she will, whatever. Now चुबुको वहां से निकल गई. Okay, Lumu, it's yes, and this Chubukov nikal gaya वहाँ से. Lumu, it's cold. I'm trembling all over, just as if I'd got an examination before me. Okay, now he is behaving that there. मुझे ऐसा लगा. I was thinking that I have passed an examination. Now it's become cold. You know, after completing the examination, you feel relaxed. So before this question, this interrogation started, for him it was like little bit difficult to express these words in front of someone's father. Directly जाके हाथ मांगना, it's not a joke. वो एक पीस में स्ट्रेचर पे भी आ सकता है रिटर्न में. Okay, so Lumo says, it's cold, I'm trembling all over, just as I would go at an examination before me. The great thing is I must have my mind made up. If I give myself time to think, to hesitate, to talk a lot, to look for an idol or for a real love, then I'll never get married. Means it says I have not wasted. The great thing is, यहाँ पे वर्ड्स को समझने की कोशिश करना. ये बातचीत जो हो रही है ना, इसके अंदर क्या कहना चाहता है? I must have mind made up. I have prepared me earlier. I have prepared myself earlier. Okay, if I give myself time to think, because if I started thinking whether I should go or not, whether he will say yes or no, what is going to happen if I will ask? If he says no, or if Natalia says no, if he will think, he was thinking it, I will think all these words, I will not get married. अब पता चला इसे मैं क्या बोल रहा है इधर से? किसको पता नहीं चला ये सारे जो वर्ड में बोला? Okay, good. लिंक नहीं डैमेज होनी चाहिए. So is that if I will think a lot, then I will face problem first. Second, if to hesitate, to talk a lot, to look for an idol or for a real love. अगर मैं मतलब ट्रू लव के चक्कर में पड़ जाता तो मेरी शादी नहीं होती. Okay, scold. Natalia. Okay, page number 146. Natalia is an excellent housekeeper, not bad looking, well educated. She is well educated and she is good looking also. Okay, what more I do want? But I am getting a noise in my ears from excitement, and it's impossible for me not to marry. Means this guy Lumu thinks that she is well and she is good for me. Okay, she is educated also and a good housekeeper also and not bad looking also. इससे ज़्यादा आपको क्या चाहिए? But I am getting okay, and it's impossible for me not to marry. In the first place, I am already 35. And there is a word critical age. 35 is literally like Salman Khan. Okay, now it's a moment, because after some ages, no one is going to marry him. Okay, so to speak, in the second place, I ought to lead a quiet and regular life. I want a quiet and simple regular life. Not a single person on this planet wants a simple life. Okay, born, brought up, education, married, kids, settled life after death. Death and after. That's simple life everyone wants. So here this guy also assumes that I also want a simple life. Okay, because there is a proper time, perfect time for everything. If you have wasted your most of years in education, then also it is difficult for you to to move to the second phase. You know that there is a lots of phase in our life. From first to 15 years you have a teenager, 15 to 25 this is adult age. Okay, you have to take responsibility of your family, or you have to start learning the responsibility of your family. 15 to 25, if you think that it's my life, मैं अभी नहीं जीऊंगा तो कब जीऊंगा, तो हो गया बेटा, क्योंकि 15-25 is the second phase of your life, the most difficult and most dangerous. You have no idea how many peoples and which kind of peoples you are going to meet when you pass from 15 to 25. ये जो age होती है, after 25 now you are prepared to face the market, face the economic condition in SS, face this kind of problems. Okay, you may get attached with someone, you are बच्चे नहीं हो, बड़े ही हो, आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा आएगा कि आप किसी से काफी अटैच हो जाओगे, आप सब कुछ भूल के उसके पीछे पागल हो जाओ. ओके, इफ आई मे गेट रॉन्ग तो इसको उस तरह से मत लीजिएगा. तो ये एक लाइफ सेकेंड फेज भी होता है. अभी बंदा 35 एज का हो गया है, मीन्स व्हाट, इसने ऑलरेडी सेकेंड फेज क्रॉस कर दिया 35 एज होने के बाद. नाउ इट्स व्हाट, नथिंग. ये फोर्थ फेज में जाने जाएगा. तो फोर्थ फेज के लिए सोलो परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते. वी नीड समवन एज अ पार्टनर. यू नो, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है ओल्ड एज में, दादा और दादी के एज में. तब हम, यू नो व्हाट, हम जैसे अभी इस एज में है, इससे दादा की कनेक्शन काफी अच्छी होती है. लेकिन पप्पा जो है हमारे, उनके और दादा की कनेक्शन उतनी ज्यादा नहीं होती, वो काम से काम बात करते हैं. तो वी नीड समवन टू टॉक. ओके, एट दिस मोमेंट ऑल्सो, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग दिस कॉन्सेप्ट? गुड. पता चल रहा है मैं किस बात में बता रहा हूँ? Because he thinks that at the age of 35 I'm still single, means I have no one to take care for me. If I get sick, who is going to help me? My mom. 35 age में आपकी mom तो help कर नहीं सकती. So you need someone. Okay, चलिए 17 कहाँ पहुँच गए? Yes, and in the second place I have to lead a quiet and regular life. I want a quiet and regular life. I suffer from palpitation. Okay, this word is not mentioned, we will discuss from that book. Okay, I am excitable and always getting awfully upset. At this very moment my lips are trembling and there is a twitch in my right eyebrow. Means he is explaining his own problems, that I have problems like this and like this. Okay, but the very worst of all is the way I sleep. Okay, no, I no sooner get into bed and begin to go off when suddenly something in my left side gives a pull and I can feel it in my shoulder and head. I jump up like a lunatic, walk about a bit and lie down again. But as soon as I begin to get off the sleep, there is another pull, and this may happen 20 times. Okay, this guy is talking about sleeping issues. Okay, the most important thing, the questions I can put सकते, what was the problem of Lomov? Okay, he says that I have here he explains all the points, but here he is saying that I have a sleeping issue. Whenever I get up in the bed, when I wake up from the bed, then I am facing problem and I am walking for a while and then lie down again. Similarly, 20 times I am facing this kind of problem. Now at that moment Natalia appears, so Natalia comes in this drama. Okay, well, it's you, Papa, and Papa said, go, there's a merchant come for his goods. How do you do, Ivan? Means, okay, Natalia says, oh, it's you. And Papa said that, go, there's a merchant for his goods. कोई खरीदार आया है, his dad says. So, when Natalia said, how are you, how do you do, Ivan? Lomov, how do you do? Honored Natalia. Now this guy is literally, यानी सब चीज में माननीय आप कैसे हैं, माननीय आप कैसे, everyone, नटालिया के पापा को भी माननीय, नटालिया को भी माननीय. So he is, how do you do, honored Natalia Stepnova? Natalia, you must excuse my apron and my negligence. She is wearing some kind of apron. Apron हम कब पहनते हैं? जनरली दो टाइप में. apron घर में जो किचन के टाइम पे जो पहना जाता है ना, वो एक टाइप का apron भी हुआ, और लेबोरेटरी टाइम पे वो भी apron भी हुआ. But she is in house, means she is in kitchen, she is doing some stuff. But shelling peas for drying. Why haven't you been here such a long time? Sit down. Want you have some lunch? बैठो, बहुत दिनों बाद आए, खा के जाना. Lomov, no. I had some already. I have taken lunch. Natalia, then smoke. Here are the matches. The weather is splendid now, but yesterday it was so wet. It was that the workmen didn't do anything all day. Now Natalia says that okay, Poklo, the weather is splendid now. It's good now, atmosphere. But yesterday it was so wet that the workmen didn't do anything all day. How much they have how much hay have you stacked? Okay, just think. I felt greedy. I had a whole field cut, and now I'm not all pleased about the because I'm afraid of my hay may brought. Hay is like गुच्छा कहते हैं hay को type से. I ought to have waited a bit, but what's this? Why are you in evening dress? Well, I never. Are you going to ball or what? So I must say you look better. Tell me, why are you got up like this? Okay, this entire conversation is useless. It's just one thing. She is explaining her problem that yesterday the day was good and the labor has not done the labor in her farm, and said, at last she also asked the same question. ये कपड़े में क्यों आए हो तुम? Okay, the basic thing. You know what? Some people or most people judge you on the basis of your uniform. फंक्शन है तो सूट ही पहनना, किसी घर पे जाओ तो नॉर्मल कपड़े पहनो. ओके, बट सपोज इफ इट इज लाइक मेरी मर्जी मेरे जो पहनो, बट हियर दिस गाय लोमो हैज डन समथिंग सिमिलर लाइक दिस. कोट पहन के आया है, ग्लव्स पहन के आया है. सो एवरीवन शॉक्ड. सो दैट्स व्हाई एट फर्स्ट हर डैड आस्क्ड ये क्या है, एंड नाउ शी सेड क्या है. ओके, सो and now again he has to explain that I came here for a proposal. Okay, now Lomo excited. Now here Lomo says, now it's Lomo's turn to explain the entire portion to her. Excited, you see, honored Natalia, the fact is I've made up my mind to ask you to hear me out. Okay, I have something to say you. Just listen me or hear me. Okay, of course, you will be surprised, perhaps you will even angry also. There are two conditions. Okay, means you may get there might be chances that you will accept, agree, no, deny, happy or frustrated. At the end, the solution, the decision depends upon you. But it's awfully cold. Natalia, what's the matter? Well, now Natalia asks, what? Okay, Lomo, I shall try to be brief. I will explain you. Or sorry, brief means in short. You must know, honored Natalia, that I have long since my childhood, in fact, had the privilege of knowing your family. I was, I got a privilege, or we can say I got an advantage, okay, or a good gesture to knowing your family. We are quite neighbors. My late aunt and her husband, from whom, as you know, I inherited my land, always had the greatest respect for your father and your late mother. I have a huge respect for your mother and your father. The Lomos and the Chubukos are always had the most friendly. Here the Lomos and the Chubukos are the best friends, it says. And I might almost say the most affectionate regard for each other. And as you know, my land is a near neighbor of yours. It says that my land is near to your house. Okay, you will remember that my oxen meadows touch your birch woods. Okay, Natalia, excuse my interrupting you. You say my oxen meadows, but are they yours? Lomo, yes, mine. Means he was saying that something oxen means pile. You know that? Okay, he was telling that my oxen belongs to you, Natalia. Still, Natalia is confused. What are you going to say? Are you going to say or not? And what is your point? See, here he was moving round and round. Means like कि पापा के पास हम कुछ बोलने जाते हैं, हमें फोन चाहिए हो, मेन पॉइंट है फोन चाहिए. तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कहाँ से कि पापा को पता है मेरे दोस्त के पापा जी हैं, उन्होंने उससे फोन दिलाया है, वो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. पापा को पहले लाइक हो जाता है. ही इज क्वाइट इंटेलिजेंट है ना, वो हमसे ही तो आए हैं, इतने बड़े ऐसे हो गए हैं, पाल सफेद नहीं किया उन्होंने. सो पापा को पता है वो फोन नया अच्छा है, गुड, एंड ही नो द आंसर. वो उसमें टच स्क्रीन बहुत अच्छा चलता है, कैमरा भी बहुत अच्छा है, वेरी गुड. नाउ ही सेज बेटा डोंट गो राउंड, टेल मी द पॉइंट. और उससे भी स्मार्ट होंगे ना तो कहेंगे डोंट गो राउंड, नो, फोटो यहाँ से. सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा आंसर. तुम मांगोगे और मैं चले नहीं पाड़ने वाला हूँ तो फोटो यहाँ से. एट द एंड वी हैव टू गो टू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, होम मिनिस्टर, मॉम, एंड देन द स्टोरी गोज ऑन. ओके, ये अभी फोन में है, पहले थोड़ी साइकिल की बात है। तो द बेसिक एंड स्टैंडर्ड आंसर ऑफ डेट्स ऑलमोस्ट ओके, जनरली एवरेज डेट्स की बात बता रहा हूँ बेटा, अच्छा परसेंट आएगा तो साइकिल मिलेगा। तो जिसके अच्छे परसेंट आते हैं उसके घर तो मतलब साइकिल की लाइन लग चुकी होती है। कॉन्सेप्ट इज जिसके अच्छे परसेंट आते हैं, सपोज 95 90 बेटा 99% लाओगे तो ही तुमको ये मिलेगी। अरे बट 95% तो ला दिए और कितना चाहिए, और 99% बेटा इस साल में नेक्स्ट और भी लो, मतलब हो गया, यानी कुछ भी मिलने से रहा। The same question is, he was just moving round and round and round. Your lecture is almost over.